Friends, welcome back to my channel, Georgia Explorer, and I'm so glad to be back again with one new video. So, how have you been? Friends, so today we are going to explore one of the very interesting suburbs in Mumbai, Borivali. I know Borivali is synonymous with the Borivali National Park or Sanjay Gandhi National Park, right? So, but since we had been to that place before, no national park today. Instead, we are going to visit some other areas in Borivali. Okay? Because I'm already in Borivali, Borivali IC Colony. IC Colony is a beautiful residential area in Borivali West. And one thing I want to tell you that before coming to this place, Borivali, I had two plans in my mind. One is to visit, one was to visit this Borivali Aquarium or Fish Park, but unfortunately that is closed. I don't know why. So our next option is of course IC Colony where I am right now. So we are going to explore this IC Colony right now. Then we'll decide where else to go. Okay, so stay tuned. And friends, this is another beautiful area in Mumbai suburb with full of greeneries, peace and tranquility that you can clearly understand. And predominantly, mainly a residential area. It has apartment buildings, full of apartment buildings, housing societies and independent houses. Independent houses cater to various budgets. And friends, the majority community here are Catholic Christians, so that's why you get to see so many Catholic schools and churches here. There's a very beautiful churches and schools here. One of that I'll show you. See the beauty. Beautiful greeneries everywhere. I love such places. Everything for such places. Obviously I love it. I love such places. Places like this and full of greeneries. And I'll show you one of the churches. Sorry, one of the Catholic schools here. There are hundreds of Catholic schools and churches here in IC Colony. This road is called Lakshman Matre Road. Okay, this is one of the Catholic schools, Mary Immaculate Girls High School. Okay, it's one of the high schools, Catholic high schools here. Beautiful. It is all the convenience of an urban life. All types of shops and showrooms and see Baskin Robbins, everything you get to see here. It's a urban area, but of course it's kind of, you know, all the greeneries and peaceful surroundings everywhere. So see, there are several shops here. So many shops, grocery shops, garment shops, and see, there's a beautiful houses, independent houses, like and apartment blocks in the middle of, surrounded by greeneries, of course. See, this my favorite tree, banyan tree, and it's a very beautiful place. You can see one ground here. I think this is a school ground. I can see people and students playing soccer, football. Yeah, it's a school ground probably. See the road, IC Colony Road, Borivali West, and IC Colony, officially known as Immaculate Conception Colony, is a prominent residential area in Borivali, a suburb of Mumbai. The history of IC Colony intertwined with the growth and development of Borivali and Mumbai as a whole. The area now known as IC Colony began its transformation into a residential neighborhood in the mid-20th century. The colony is named after the Immaculate Conception Church. There's a high-low IC. Because wherever you turn here, you get to see this beautiful tree landscapes. See, Over the years, IC Colony has seen considerable development in real estate, with new residential complexes and commercial establishments coming up. The area is considered to be relatively upscale compared to other parts of Borivali. All types of trees are seen here. Beautiful place, amazing. These are the shops, various shops and the showrooms. I am so hungry. I'm starving now. I need to eat something. The time is 3:30, 3:45, 3:35. Sorry, 3:35 p.m. Okay, it's a burger, fries, fried chicken. There are several restaurants and hotels here. I don't know. There's a restaurant. Okay, let's go and see. Okay, this is Bombay Cycle Cafe. Okay, so I'm gonna order this one. Pineapple, sugarcane juice, and what else? There's several. So many types of dishes here. And other one is this one. Egg burji pav. So instead of pav, I have ordered bread. So egg burji bread, that's one. On juice and egg burji bread, I ordered. This is a huge jumbo glass. This isn't so huge. Pineapple, sugarcane juice. Pineapple mixed sugarcane juice. A very huge one. See. Friends, the rain has begun now. After some respite since morning, now it's pouring down. And for Mumbai people, the arrival of monsoon is both blessing and challenge. The rains cool the city and fill reservoirs, ensuring water supply for the year. However, the heavy downpours often lead to water logging, traffic snags and delays in the local train services, the city's lifeline. Streets can turn into rivers and commuting becomes an adventure as people wade through knee-deep water to get to their destinations. And plus, IC Colony has excellent transportation facilities. Local buses and auto rickshaws ensure easy mobility within the area, while the proximity to the Western Express Highway offers quick access to the parts of Mumbai. And plus, this is the most popular Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception Church in IC Colony. This Immaculate Conception Church, also known as IC Church, has a long-standing history in the area. It was established in the early 20th century and has grown significantly over the years. Plus, the photography or video shooting inside the church is not allowed, so I'm skipping now. And one of the standout features of IC Colony is its abundance of greenery and well-maintained parks. These green spaces provide residents with much needed respite from the urban jungle, promoting healthy and balanced lifestyle. The lush environment adds to the overall appeal of the colony, making it the preferred choice for those seeking a peaceful residential setting within the city. And this rain still continues. This not gonna let up so soon, I think. This area, IC colony, has several parks and gardens that are well maintained and offer green spaces for residents to enjoy. These include small neighborhood parks as well as larger gardens. And many residential buildings and societies in IC colony have their own gardens and landscape areas contributing to the overall green environment. There is a strong community spirit in IC colony with residents often participating in tree planting drives and initiatives to maintain greenery. Well, brother, right now I'm at this place called LIC colony. This is also a very beautiful place with full of greeneries. It's next to IC colony, very next to IC colony. You can see one hospital here, Karuna Hospital. It's a very big hospital, and it's also a quite beautiful place. See the greeneries and residential towers and hospitals, schools, everything here. Isn't it beautiful? This is one of the most beautiful locations in Mumbai suburb. Right now I'm on the highway heading to the railway station, Borivali railway station now. This is the highway. There's a hardly 7 to 8 minutes walking distance. So I love to walk, especially during rains. I love rains. I personally believe this is the right time. Monsoon is the right time to hit Mumbai. If you want to explore Mumbai, this is the right time, especially if you are a nature lover, you want to see the waterfalls and the mountainous area. This is away from city, and this is the right time. Okay, I love monsoon so much. Mumbai had come to a standstill last week because of the heavy rain. The majority of the trains, local trains, were either cancelled or delayed because of the waterlogged tracks. Even the roads are also badly hit. There was complete chaos. So this is the situation every year in Mumbai city. This is the station road. I almost close to the very much close to the station right now. And these are the stalls selling various stuff, all the cold drinks and snacks here on the sides of this road. This place next to the station is called Pai Nagar, P-A-I, Pai Nagar. You see beautiful garden in the middle of this road. It's a Pai Nagar, Naka Road Junction. It's the intersection of the 4 roads, I think. Intersection of the 4 roads. There's several beautification work all around this area, Borivali area, and so many beautification works done by the municipal authorities, and it's a beautiful place, and I'm almost close to the station now. I'm so sad that I could show you the Borivali aquarium today. That is closed, and I think that is closed forever, and I didn't know that. Anyway, I'm so sad, but still I'm happy that I showed you some other places, beautiful places, like IC Colony, LIC Colony, surrounding areas of IC Colony. It's a beautiful place, and I'm sure you liked it. And now I almost reached the station. I'll see you at the station. Okay. And friends, I finally made the session. I'm on this overbridge of Skywalk, as we call it here. And no, that's all for today. I really enjoyed exploring Borivali in the rain. I'm sure you also enjoyed. And now heading to the station. And down there, the road is so congested. So this is the better way to reach the station, I think. See, this is the station. Now the rain is kind of let up. See, and everything is peaceful. But other than the crowd, that's all for today. I'm signing off. I'll see you soon with some of the content. Till then, goodbye. I'll see you next Friday, 5:45 p.m. And if you like, subscribe, share, and like my videos. There is no compulsion, obligation, but still, if you did so, that would help me immensely. So please subscribe, share. Okay? Don't forget.